Do you guys hear that? And now it stopped. Like, look at the hillside down there. Look how windy it is outside. Oh my goodness. And it stopped. It's quiet now. Good morning. It is Wednesday morning for us. I say tell everyone good morning.
Good morning. Good morning, guys.
What?
Guys, I got a JoJo too. And it lights up and it sings it.
Yeah, I used that this morning.
Guys.
It is currently 10 degrees outside, freezing cold outside. All the schools have been canceled for today just because it's so cold and it's so windy. Like, our house sounds like it's gonna blow over. Do you want to tell them something? Say I'm eating a Pop-Tart. And I drew on my hand already. You want to show them what you did to your hand? Yeah, did you draw on your hand already? Say it's 8 o'clock this morning and we're already coloring on ourselves. But we're starting our morning off with Pop-Tarts and some orange juice.
I don't know if it's really slippery on the cars.
I don't know.
It's really icy.
It's just really cold. It's super, super cold outside.
But I don't know if it's icy too.
I don't think it's icy, but I don't know. We'll see. Thankfully, my car's in the garage, so we just need to get in my car, load up, go to my mom's house so I can work, and we're just going to have to get out and just run into her house full speed. And I'm actually getting dinner ready. I have some meat in the crock pot, and then I just cut up some peppers. I'm gonna cut these up, some onions up, and I'm gonna get dinner ready for this evening, so when we come home it will be pretty much ready. I'll just have to make rice. So this is a new recipe that I'm trying from Pinterest. If you guys are interested, check out my video on Sunday. I don't know if you can hear it. Can you hear the wind? Like, that is the sound of the wind that's going on outside. I mean, the trees aren't really swaying too much, but it sounds so scary. Ay, ay, ay. All right, so I totally lied. It's actually 8 degrees outside right now, so it is cold, but the kids are nice and bundled up. My sister actually just called me. She lives near me, so she takes the same road that I do to get to my mom's house, and she said that the roads are covered, which I could see now, like our road right out here is covered, but I have no choice. I have to work. And so yeah, it doesn't seem like it's slippy though. They're just covered, so I think it should be fine. But yeah, they're covered. So we're just gonna be extra careful. I'm obviously not gonna have the camera on while I'm driving, but yeah, what is that? Something's blowing across my driveway right now. It's so windy outside too. And I think that's why the roads are so covered, because it like landed on the grass, so it's just like, you know, blowing all over the road too. What's that, Obs?
I thought it was really icy.
Yeah, it looks icy out, but I don't think it's icy. I don't know, but we'll be careful, and we're gonna go head off to my mom's. So I just want to show you all, I'm stopped in my driveway, but this is what the road looks like right now. And we're from the north, so we're used to this kind of stuff. I know people in the south are probably like, oh my goodness, like why even go out? But this is the kind of stuff we're used to driving in, so not really too nervous. But look at all that wind. Like, the wind is what's making it a little scary. Look at that. Oh my. Hi, we're here. You wanna get your brother unbuckled? We have made it to my mom's house. We just got here. The roads aren't as bad as they look, let me just say that. But there was one point where we were driving through my neighborhood, and of course today's garbage day, so everyone has their garbage out, and it was like a wind, like a big wind tunnel was just going, and garbage was just flying everywhere. Garbage cans were going everywhere. I had to like swerve to miss all the garbage. It felt like we were in like this huge snowstorm. It was crazy, but yeah, I think it is, look, it is 6 degrees. Right here, can you see? Yeah, it is 6 degrees outside, but with the wind chill, I would probably say it's in the negatives because it's that cold out. So, all right, we're gonna get the kids out of the car because Asher's like, get me out. So we're gonna get in and run as fast as we can to get into my mom's house because it's so cold. Okay.
Mommy, go home.
You guys playing Barbie dolls? What are you doing?
Mommy,
You lining all your trains up and put her clothes on. They guys have this little devoted room now in my mom's house to all their toys. Aubrey's little Barbie house. We got her cousin playing Barbies with her. Huh. It's like really hard to put clothes on Barbie dolls. Good job, buddy.
Yeah.
This one, my mom kept all of our Barbies from when we were little. So like this is a Barbie from when we were little. And the clothes and everything like that. And it's kind of hard to get their clothes on. But I was always worried, like if you want more, you have to ask Grandma if she has any more trains. I think that's all she has. But I mentioned before, Aubrey, my sister has 3 boys and then I have 2 boys, and so Aubrey's the only girl. And I was always like, oh, I feel so bad, you know, she's got all these boys. But her cousins and her brother play Barbie dolls with her every once in a while, so that's kind of nice that she has them, huh, to play Barbies with you. They play rough and then they play Barbies. That's how they roll. But here we go. We got little Barbie doll dressed. She's good to go. But it's about lunchtime. Aubrey's dance class was actually canceled today, so that's a relief because it's so cold. It said it was canceled due to the coldest temperature because it is cold. Like I said, it's when I got out of the car it was 6 degrees out. So, but yeah, we're gonna get the kids some lunch, and I'm gonna always look like I have such bags under my eyes. I need to start like using some kind of like something. If anyone has like a recommendation on what to use, because I always have like these bags under my eyes, and like, oh, I need like a good facial wash too, because I'm like so dry. He's got shoes on his foot, on his arm. It is currently 1 degrees and we are in the car. We're heading back home for the day. Oh my goodness, it's so cold out there, but we're home. It is 1 degrees outside, and I think with the wind chill factor, it's like negative 21. I think that's what I read, but yeah. Pretty darn cold outside. What? And Asher found a Pop-Tart in the car, and he was like eating a frozen Pop-Tart that he had left in the car on the way here. Huh. Oh, yeah. All right, so we have 46 more days until our Disney trip, so we're gonna go ahead and pull off one of our links. Do you wanna rip the bottom one?
Like this?
Yeah, just rip it. Yeah, we're home. I'm actually going to make some rice here for my little beef mixture. It smells so good. So I'm just gonna make some rice and we're gonna eat. It is 5:20, so this actually, I didn't realize this, but I put it on low for 6 hours, and then after 6 hours it automatically goes to warm, which is awesome. So I was kind of worried about staying at my mom's house and it, you know, being on low the whole time if it was gonna make it overcook or whatnot. But yeah, it goes straight to warm after the 6 hours are up, so that is pretty awesome. But yeah, I have my rice. We're gonna make some rice and we're gonna eat this with some rice. Yeah, it smells so good. Face. Look at the little pouty lip. Is he giving you a pouty lip? Daddy has a pouty lip.
Okay, guys. What's on your nose?
He's got a scratch. He's got food. Say, Daddy, I got peanut butter. Who knows what I got on my nose? Yeah, I don't think he needs a binky, kiddo. Kyler's awake. I don't think anyone's seen him. What did she say? She said no, she don't like it. Oh, you don't like it?
Yes.
What about the noodles? Is it okay? Mediocre? Oh. Did you try the meat? It's like steak.
I just tried steak. It was very good.
Was it very good?
I don't know about it.
Well, Mommy just put some of like the broth on here. It's kind of like chicken noodle soup broth.
Yeah.
On just like noodles, kind of.
That one, like, the rice, this one, and that one, this one.
I have like, there's also like green and red peppers in there. I'm not sure if you'd like that. Do you want to try those? No thanks. What are you doing? How is it? Not bad? So Aubrey ate all her meat and Asher's eating the rice. Is it good, bud? You eating the rice? Is it yummy? Mm-hmm. So I'm gonna eat. We have our little setup here, little Mr. Kyler. Hi, buddy. You're hanging out with us. I don't think I showed you it all this morning. You want some more, you're calling it chicken. You want some more beef? Okay. So we're gonna eat dinner And it's actually still light outside. Hi. Hi. Oh, now the camera's out. We're gonna stop. Are you talking, huh? Yeah, what else do you have to say? What else? Oh, I'm not even filming you. Let's see if we can get you to talk some more, huh? Hi, Daddy. Yeah. You talking? Say hi. So you are actually 2.5 months old. 2.5 months old. 2.5 months old. Huh? And you talking? Are you cooing? Say mama, mama, mama. Say mama.
Mama.
You say dada.
Dada.
Say Aubrey.
Abby.
Say Asher.
Elsa.
Is he laughing? Say Kyler. Say Asher. I love that my kids get these little high-pitched voices when they talk to him. What else can we tell him to say? Say roll over. Say we're not rolling over yet though. I'm teaching to roll over. Oh. You're gonna roll him over? I don't think he wants to. You gonna roll him over? He's talking to you though, buddy. He's talking to you.
It's on my mouth.
You put your hand in his mouth.
Hey, I can hammer.
A hammer? Tell him. You hear him talking? Where'd he go? He's looking for you. He says, where'd you go, brother? I love how much he's talking. Cooing. I keep saying talking. Cooing. Kyler. Kyler. He's looking for you. He says, where did you go? Ooh. Where'd he go, Kai? What are you eating?
Fruit Loops.
Fruit Loops. The kids are actually eating cereals and Pop-Tart right now because dinner was good, but it wasn't anything special. Like, it did not fill me up. I ended up eating a bowl of cereal too, and Aubrey took over my bowl. So, but it's about bath time. We're gonna go head up and get baths. We're gonna do a question of the day. And what was our question? Go ahead.
Princess is what's your favorite princess?
What's your favorite princess? So who?
And what's your favorite character?
What's your favorite character? It could be a princess or it could be any type of Disney character, right? From the Disney Junior maybe? So who's your favorite princess?
Mine is Ariel.
Ariel. Who's your favorite Disney character, Asher? Do you like Bingo and Rolly? Do you like the Muppet Babies?
I got Muppet Babies.
Who's your favorite Muppet Baby?
I got dinosaurs.
Dinosaurs. Which one's your favorite? Is it Animal? Is it Fozzie?
Piggy. Fozzie.
Fozzie?
I got Piggy. I didn't get Piggy. I get Gonzo. I get Animal. I get Fozzie.
Yeah, you have Fozzie. You got Fozzie from Grandma. So is that your favorite, Fozzie? Mm-hmm. My favorite princess is Ariel.
My favorite princess is Ariel too.
Ariel,
I get Piggy.
Yeah. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and end the vlog, go up and get our baths, and end the night. It's a cold, cold night. So we managed to stay warm for the most part.
I like
You don't like piggies?
I got animal. I like animal.
What does Fozzie say?
Hey, waka waka.
Yes, he does. Do you want to end the vlog?
Fozzie say waka waka.
Yeah. Do you want to end the vlog? Tell everyone bye-byes? Anyone? You want to say goodbye?
Goodbye.
Thanks for watching. We'll see you in our next video.
Please thumbs up and like the video. See you in the next one. Bye.
Bye. Say psh.